I am the only one who can make America truly great again. I deal with foreign countries. I made a lot of money dealing against China. I have made a lot of money dealing against many other countries. With the coldest winter ever recorded, with snow setting records level up and down the coast, the Nobel Committee should take the Nobel Prize back from Al Gore. I don't like to sit back and gloat because the world is fragile, life is fragile, so I never really gloat. This every expensive global warming bullshit has got to stop. Our planet is freezing, record low temperature, and our global warming scientists are stuck in ice. A lot of people want me to run for things for a lot of high offices. The poll always show that I win any election that I am in, but I don't have any real interest in running for office. I am more interested in supporting people. You have to think anyway, so why not think big? Somebody got to do it. It's different, it is difficult, there are a lot of wonderful things about it, but always being under scrutiny is not one of them. People, by losing a battle, you find a new way to win the war. Life is actually a series of tests. It is a social test, a happiness test, a business test, success test. You have had like to get A as in all of them. Nothing is easy, but who wants nothing? I don't think I changed a lot of, although I learned a lot. Adversity can be a wonderful teacher. Some people can't handle the pressure of it. For me, it was a great thing. I learned about myself going through times. I guess I learned well. Sheer persistence is the difference between success and failure. My father built low and moderate income housing in Queens and Brooklyn. Learned a lot from him, but I went in a different direction. I built Trump Tower in Manhattan's the most luxurious building in the world. It is not going to be easy for my son, but maybe it should not be easy. Life is after all a test. You can't be scared, you do your things, you hold your ground, you stand up tall, and whatever happens and happens. There is always luck involved in things. Luck is involved in life. You have born a certain way. You are born in certain location. You are born countries. There is always luck, and some people disagree that there is no such things as luck. Well, we will take them on any time you want. Well, I am a Republican and I would run as a Republican, and I have a lot of confidence in the Republican Party. I don't have a lot of confidence in the president. I think what happening to this country is unbelievable bad. We are no longer a respected country. I fire people that win gold medals, great champions, everything else, and you know it is not easy. People say, oh well, it is comes easy for me. It does not, and it is never fun. It is all easier though. When I don't like somebody or when they are really bad, then it become much easier. I like thinking big. If you are going to be thinking anything, you might as well as think big. Sometimes I don't like people, and you know it does not bother me. The hard one are when you are really like somebody, really respect somebody, and they make a mistake. The cost of appearing with bloviatings and ignoramus is obvious. It seems to me Donald Trump is radiant and evident that if your net worth is high enough, your IQ can be very low and you can still introduce into America politics. I think I understand life. I think I understand how to live. I am enjoying my life. I don't really live in is a extravagant way as a people think. The final key to the way I promote is bravado. I play to people's fantastic. People may not always think big themselves, but they can still get very excited by those who do. What why a little hyperbola never hurts. Obama and his attack dogs have nothing but hate and anger in their heart and spray in whatever possible. I have known people who had fantastic ideas but who could not get the idea off the ground because they approached everything weakly. The thought that their ideas would somehow take off themselves or the just coming up his own idea was enough. Let me tell you something, it is not enough, it will never be enough. You have to put the idea into action. If you don't have the motivation and the enthusiasm, your great idea will simply sit on top of your desk or inside your head and go now here. If you are going to be truly successfully, then set yourself apart from everyone else. Go beyond the limits of what classifying the average person and be exceptional. I love to remember my enemies and I love to get enemies. I had some enemies, I had people that really I help a lot. And when I needed the help, some cases they were not there for me. When luck is on your side, it is not the time to be modest or timid. It is the time to go for biggest success you can possibly achieve. I have never fired anyone or kept anyone because of rating or because of entertainment. It keeps the people that I think are the best. But I believe in fair trade, and I will tell you I have many friends heading the corporations and people that do just business in China. They say it is virtually impossible. It is very hard to come into China, and yet we welcome them with open arms.